Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. Now, transferring a domain can sometimes seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the process. However, moving your domain to Cloudflare can offer numerous benefits, such as enhanced security, improved website performance, and even cost savings. In today's video, we're going to break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will help you transfer your domain smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. In this example, we'll be using a domain currently hosted on Hostinger, which we plan to transfer over to Cloudflare. Before we dive into the transfer process, there's a critical step we must address. Both your current hosting provider and Cloudflare require the domain to be unlocked. This essentially means you're making the domain eligible for transfer. Without unlocking, the migration of your domain data won't be possible. First, log in as an administrator to both your current hosting account and your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to your hosting provider's domains section. Here, you'll see a list of all your registered domains. Click on the domain you wish to transfer. You'll need to find an option labeled Transfer Lock. This option is typically checked to prevent unauthorized transfers. Make sure to uncheck this box to unlock your domain. Now, I understand that not everyone might have admin rights to do this, but you'll usually need it for a successful transfer. Next, you'll want to copy your domain name. This is crucial as you'll need to paste it into Cloudflare later. Head over to your Cloudflare dashboard. If you're not already familiar, you can find the domain settings under the Domain Registration tab. Here you'll find an option to transfer domains. Before proceeding, ensure the domain is registered on Cloudflare by selecting Register Domains. Paste your copy domain name and initiate a search to add it to your Cloudflare database. Once you've registered your domain, return to the Transfer Domains section. You should now see your domain listed here, ready for the next step. Cloudflare will prompt you to enter an authorization code to confirm the transfer. This code is typically sent to the email associated with your hosting accounts, including your Cloudflare account. Make sure to check your inbox for these codes. Enter them accurately to authenticate the transfer. After entering the authorization codes, you have successfully initiated the transfer of your domain from Hostinger or any other provider like Bluehost or GoDaddy to Cloudflare. And there you have it. You've now completed the transfer process. If this guide helped you with how to transfer domain to Cloudflare, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.